Hello fellow garage journal enthusiasts, this is M5 Light coming to you with a little mini report on the RAT936 kit from Snap-on, consisting of the S80, F80 and T72 ratchets. The S80 being 80 tooth, half-inch drive ratchet. The 3/8 inch drive F80, 80 tooth. And finally the T72 1/4 inch drive 72 tooth, based upon dual 80 technology, 1/4 inch drive ratchet. As you can see, nowhere on these, or any of them, does it say made in USA. They all do say patent pending. As far as the action goes, this is the sound of the T72. That's in comparison to, say, just a Stanley quick release 1/4 inch that has been treated to the RLL, Red Lube of Love. And today it's pretty warm, so you can see a little bit of RLL maybe right about here leaking out. Not much though. I never engulf the gears, the pawl, or anything in the RLL. Just a dab here or there. You can see it here on the face as well. Once again, T72. Quite smooth, quite nice. Next up, the F80 3/8 inch. This, I think, is the nicest action out of the 3 ratchets. Not much effort required. In comparison to my inadvertently modified Craftsman quick release long handle 3/8 inch. There's virtually no resistance to the turning of the drive, but it does positively engage in the reverse direction. And you can see this one obviously has been treated to the Red Lube of Love, as evidenced by the leakage. And this is a CDI torque 3/8 inch torque wrench with a Williams head on it. And you can listen to the action on this. It's quite a bit of torque required to even make this action move, and you can hear the positive engagements of each and every single tooth. Once again, the F80 3/8 inch. Quite easy to turn, very quiet, and very well built. Finally, the S80 1/2 inch, and you can listen to this here. Quite nice. And in comparison, I've got an SK flex head that has a little bit of Red Lube of Love in there as well. And this is as smooth as this has ever been. I can feel that through the handle and through the drive itself. And like I said, that's as smooth as it's ever been. Once again, in comparison to the S80, very smooth, relatively quiet, very little action required, 4.5 degrees rotation. Well, I hope you guys liked what you saw, but that is the RAT936 kit from Snap-on. 1/4 inch T72, 3/8 inch F80, and a 1/2 inch S80.